Buongiorno. It is so beautiful out. It's a little cooler, and I missed the sunrise by a smidgen because there's clouds in the sky. But I'm trying to think of what to do today because it has been quite a hectic week about with the go with going to my boyfriend's place and then being home and everything that we've been doing. So my mom and I got through a lot of the training yesterday, and we were able to start the new program, and I think we're gonna continue that a little bit more today. And my sister will be gone, so we'll have more focus. And and now that I'm done my taxes, because it was like every time my mom and I started getting into a groove, my tax lady would message me about questions and stuff like that, and I would stop, and then my sister would ask us questions, and then we had to eat or take the dogs out, and so it was just quite hectic trying to get this done yesterday and the day before. But excuse me, it is now Thursday. Sheesh. Yeah, definitely rest as much as possible today. Sheesh. Like I haven't even talked to my boyfriend like on the phone because we've been so busy. And yeah, a little Sunday. Should I flip it over? You can see Sunday. There he is. Say hi, Sunday. He was stubborn getting out this morning, so Ash isn't with us. He I don't know, for the first while we had to literally convince him to come out and like give him treats and stuff like that. But then the past month or so, he's been fine. Like he's come out right away. Didn't need to beg him, call him, or anything. And one of my neighbors, come on, Sunday. One of my neighbors' dogs got loose. So I was gonna run into the other apartment building, so that way it didn't come after Sunday, but she's got him now. He's a strong dog, very strong dog. But yeah, he's been good, but I think it's the weather. If he knows that it's not nice out, he doesn't want to go out. So, but yeah, okay, good. She's got him. Sunday, baby boy, what's going on? I do have to say, knowing that I could take now my black coffee with cocoa and not have any issues coughing or heat coming up, and knowing that at the same time it is clearing out any junk in my system is such a blessing. BLD and enzymes for the win. So I think something amazing in addition to all the other amazing stuff that has happened to me in my life this past couple of weeks. You know how I've been talking about studying cardology, focusing on that? Well, somebody paid Aquarius Maximus money so that way she can give away scholarships. And I messaged her asking for the scholarship, and it's not a full paid scholarship, it's a partly paid scholarship. And I told her my situation and how I'm just started another stream of income, and she says we will figure something out. So I might be becoming a cardiology certified coach. I'm so excited. So this started out as me having extra money. Like Uber Eats was giving out crazy promotions during the end of winter, and I was able to get into Aquarius Maximus's circle of friends, and that provides like a lot of her information that she's giving out, like master classes and stuff like that for free after you pay the amount, right? But I was also in her self-paced cardiology course, which paying that money into the circle of friends gives you a massive discount on the year-long self-orientated cardiology course. But now I might be just starting right into the coaching course that I've been thinking of wanting to get into. Oh my gosh, like and like there's been a problem with the self-orientated course. She's been having a problem with her site with hacking and stuff like that, and hasn't been regularly updating it. So I haven't been learning in the way that she would originally want it to be. But now it looks like I'm going to be in the actual coaching course for a major discount. Yeah. That's going to be another stream of income, guys. Another stream of income. So much for resting. Okay. I took a shower quickly because we've been busy with setting up the new company. I already have someone asking about it and getting ready for the training with the new brands. So it's been busy. And, remembering to eat and take the dogs out and stuff. Okay. There they are. It has been, like I said, a busy morning. It is 2:33. So we're obviously out with the dogs. I'm planning to take a nap because I'm supposed to be in the orientation at 4 if everything goes okay with the cardiology coach certification thing. And then just trucking along, getting ready for the weekend. Ash just pulled me, but look at this beautiful baby. Look at those. But look at that. Woo-wee. Here's another one. What? Find these fascinating. Fascinating.